Now students, tell me any 5 features of Sun Wukong's character that you like best. Sun Wukong can walk through fire. Sun Wukong's body is hard as diamond. Sun Wukong can travel underwater. Sun Wukong can fly from any place. Sun Wukong's eyes have X-ray vision. Good students. Now see the following sentences. As big as a pillar. As tiny as a needle. Now you make some more phrases by using your imagination and complete the following sentences. For example, as big as sky. As big as a mountain. As tiny as an ant. As tiny as a point. Now you answer one by one. As soft as cotton. As soft as a feather. As soft as baby skin. As sweet as sugar. As sweet as honey. As sweet as a nightingale. As hard as a stone. As hard as iron. As sharp as a needle. Very good students. Now observe these words. Unfamiliar and unbelievable. And tell me the meaning of each. Ma'am, unfamiliar means something which is not familiar or known to you. Unbelievable means very difficult to believe or something which cannot be believed. Good. Now tell me opposite words of these words. Unsafe, unimportant, uninteresting, unknown, unkind, unintelligent. Unsafe, safe. Unimportant, important. Uninteresting, interesting. Unknown, known. Unkind, kind. Unintelligent, intelligent. Very good.